We'll simplify the expression 2x squared times negative 3x squared raised to the fourth power. Now let's look first at 2x squared. This is a product raised to a power, so I raise each factor to that power. So I'll have 2 squared times x squared. And we'll do the same kind of thing with negative 3x squared raised to the fourth power. We'll raise each of those factors to the power. So I'm going to have negative 3 to the fourth power times x squared to the fourth power. And now let's just simplify what we have here. 2 squared is 4. Then I have x squared. Negative 3 to the fourth power is 81. And to raise a power to a power here, I multiply the exponents. So I'd have x to the 2 times 4, or x to the 8th power. And now I can write 4 times 81, which is 324, times, when I multiply x squared times x to the 8th, I keep the base and add the exponents. So I'll have x to the 2 plus 8, or x to the 10th power. So the final result is 324 times x to the 10th power.